Hello students, good morning everybody. We are studying transportation in plants. In that one, plant water relations. Water is very necessary to the plants. How much it is necessary means, if you see the corn plant, the corn plant absorbs 3 liters of water per day. Mustard plant absorbs the water equivalent to its body weight in about 5 hours. This shows that how water is important and necessary to the plant. So we have to learn about plant water relations. In the plant water relations, the first one is water potential. This water potential is denoted by psi W. The water potential is denoted by psi W. The water potential is defined as the magnitude of energy attained by the free water molecules. The magnitude of energy attained by free water molecules is called as water potential. Now, what do you mean by free water molecules? Free water molecules means it is only water, that is pure solvent. Free water molecules means only pure solvent, that is without solutes. Free water molecules means pure solvent, the water molecules which is not dissolved with solutes. The water molecules which is not dissolved with solutes is called as free water molecules. If the water molecules is not dissolved with solutes, that is called as pure solvent. That is called as pure solvent. I repeat, free water molecules means the water molecules without any solutes. The water molecules without any solutes, that is pure solvent, is called as free water molecules. Now let us see the water potential in detail. Now we take the beaker. You take beaker A. In the beaker A, I am taking 100 ml of water. In the beaker A, I am taking 100 ml of water. Now, in this 100 ml of water, each and every dot is the free water molecule. Now, what is meant by free water molecule? As we have discussed, free water molecule means without any solutes. The water which is free from solutes is called as free water molecules. Now, how many free water molecules are there in the 100 ml of water? Now, in this 100 ml of water, for the convenience of our study, for the betterment of our study, we are considering as the 100 ml of water consisting of 100 free water molecules. For the betterment of the study, we are considering this 100 ml of water is having 100 free water molecules. Now, this is the water molecule, free water molecule. This free water molecule is moving in all directions. Even though the water is stagnant in the beaker, the water is apparently not moving in the beaker, the water molecules will show random movement. So, all the water molecules, this water molecule will move in all directions, this water molecule also moving in all directions, this water molecule also moving in all directions. Every water molecule will moving in all the directions. As the free water molecules are moving randomly in all directions, they possess kinetic energy. They possess kinetic energy. Which energy? Kinetic energy. Totally, how many free water molecules are there? 100. How many water molecules are moving? 100 free water molecules are moving. So the kinetic energy of this beaker with 100 ml of water is 100 kE. The kinetic energy of this beaker is 100 kE. Now, if you want to define the energy of this beaker in pascals, the energy of this 100 ml of water, the energy of this 100 ml of water is 0 pascals. 0 pascals. If you want to define the energy of this 100 ml of water in pascals, 0 pascals. That means we are considering the water potential of pure water is 0. What is water potential? This energy of this 100 ml of water is the water potential. So water potential is the energy of this beaker. So the energy or water potential of this beaker is 0 pascals. That means we are considering the water potential or the magnitude of energy of pure water as 0. So always water potential of pure water means without any solute, without any solute is 0 pascals. 0 pascals. That means this 100 kinetic energy we are assuming as 0 in units pascals. What I am telling, this 100 we are assuming as 0 in pascals. So what is water potential? The magnitude of energy attained or possessed by free water molecules. Free water molecules means the water molecules without solutes or only pure solvents. Now the water potential or the magnitude of energy of this 100 ml of water is 0 pascals. So always water potential of pure water without any solutes we are considering as 0. Now this water potential is affected by solute potential and pressure potential. The water potential is affected by whom and whom? Solute potential and pressure potential. They are affected by solute potential and pressure potential. Let us study these solute potential and pressure potentials. Solute potential is designated as psi s. What is solute potential? The decreasing water potential because of the addition of solutes is called as solute potential. The decrease in the magnitude of water potential, the decrease in the magnitude of water potential, the decrease in the magnitude of water potential because of the addition of solutes, because of addition of solutes is called solute potential. Is called solute potential. The decrease in the magnitude of water potential because of the addition of solutes is called as solute potential. Let us see in detail this one. Now, I am taking the beaker A, beaker A. So in this beaker A, I am taking 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water I am taking. Now, each and every water molecule will move in all directions. Each and every water molecule is moving in all directions. So, totally how many water molecules? 100 water molecules. So, the moving water molecule will possess the kinetic energy. So, as 100 water molecules are moving, what is the kinetic energy? 100 kE. The kinetic energy of beaker A is 100 kE. Now, on the other hand, I am taking the beaker B. Beaker B. Now, in this beaker B, also I am taking 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water. Now, this 100 ml of water is mixed with 10 grams of solute. What is the solute? Salt, NaCl. 10 grams of salt, NaCl. Now, the beaker B is the solution. Salt solution I am taking. Beaker B, salt solution I have taken. In the beaker A, I have taken only the pure water, that is pure solvents. Only solvent I have taken, pure water or solvent I have taken. Now, 100 ml of water consisting of 100 molecules of water. Okay, each and every water molecule is moving in all directions. Now here, when we add 10 grams of salt, now we are assuming this 10 grams of solutes as 10 molecules of solutes. We are assuming this 10 grams of NaCl as 10 molecules of solutes. 10 molecules of solutes. And we are assuming this 100 ml of water as 100 molecules of solvents. 100 molecules of solvents. Now, these are the 100 molecules of solvents. Now, 10 molecules of solutes. Now, let us consider this as 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, these 10 molecules of solutes mixes with the 10 molecules of solvents. What I am telling? The 10 molecules of solutes mixes with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mixes with the 10 molecules of solvent. When 10 molecules of solute mixes with the 10 molecules of solvents, these 10 molecules which are bounded by 10 molecules of solutes cannot move in all directions. Their movement. who are losing their random movement? The solvent molecules which are binded by solute molecules. I repeat, the solvent molecules are free water molecules which are mixed with or binded with solute molecules lost their random movement. That means this solvent molecule loses movement, this solvent molecule loses movement, this also loses movement. These solvent molecules will lose movement. The remaining solvent molecules, they can move in all directions. They can move in all directions. This solvent molecule can move in all directions. This can move in all directions. This can move in all directions. This can move in all directions. Now, among the 100 molecules of solvents, how many molecules of solvent are moving in all directions? 90 molecules of solvents are having movement. 10 molecules of solvent lost their movement. 90 molecules of water are having movement. And 10 molecules of solvent, no movement. Now, as these 90 molecules of solvent is having movement, the kinetic energy of this moving particles is 90. Next, as these 10 molecules loses movement because they are bound with solute, their kinetic energy is 0. What is the net kinetic energy? 90 plus 0 is equal to 90 kinetic energy. Now, solute potential means clearly understood. The decrease in the magnitude of water potential because of the addition of solutes is called as solute potential. In beaker A, I have taken 100 ml of water. In beaker B, also I have taken the same 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water in beaker A, the same 100 ml of water in beaker B. But here only water is present, that is pure solvent. But here this 100 ml of water is mixed with solute, 10 grams of 10 molecules of solute. This is the pure solvent without solutes. This is the solvent mixed with solute. Now, if the solutes are not present and if you have taken only solvent, the water potential is 100 kE. The kinetic energy of this system is 100 kE. When you add solutes, okay, the kinetic energy is decreased from 100 to kE, 100 to 90. The kinetic energy is decreased from 100 to 90. Why? Because of the addition of solutes. The kinetic energy decreased from this 100 to 90. This is called decrease in magnitude of water potential. Decrease of magnitude of water potential. This decrease in the magnitude of water potential from 100 to 90 is called as solute potential. Why this decrease is happening? Because of addition of solutes. Why this decrease in the kinetic energy is observed? Because of addition of solutes. Now let us take the energies of both the systems in pascals. We have already learned the energy of the pure, the water potential or the energy of the pure solvent is always 0 pascals. 0 pascals. Now 0 in the beaker B, initially 0, after the addition of 10 molecules of solutes, 0 minus 10 is equal to minus 10 pascals is the water potential. So the water potential of the beaker B is minus 10 pascals. Now this decrease from 0 to minus 10, this decrease from 0 to minus 10 is the solute potential. This decrease of magnitude of water potential psi W from 0 to minus 10 is the solute potential. So how much water potential is reduced from 0 to minus 10 means minus 10 pascals of water potential is reduced. This minus 10 is the psi S, that is solute potential. Now here the important point is, this is very important. What is this important point means? Always the water potential of the pure water is 0. When you start addition of solutes, when you start, for example, without solutes 0. When you start addition of solutes, you add one solute molecule, the water potential becomes minus 1. Next you add second